if I graph 2, 0, so 2, 0, right 2, I got 0. And let's label the coordinates. X, Y is 2, 0. The question is, to find my 6 trig functions, I need R value. Think in your head, what could we use? 1, 2, 3. You can use the Pythagorean theorem. Now, if you think about it, I don't have a triangle. Does that make sense? I just have the origin and this point. Now, you could make a circle out of it. Let's make a circle. Right there. Here. But I want to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for that. So I have r squared equals x squared plus y squared. I'm trying to solve for the r value, so r squared equals 2 squared plus 0 squared. Then I get r squared equals 4 plus 0, r squared equals 4, r equals plus or minus 2, but I only accept which answer class? I'm only accepting the positive answer because the radius is a length, and length or distance are always what? Positive. So here are two ways I solve for radius to be 2. You can use the Pythagorean theorem. So you can use the Pythagorean theorem. Or just recognize that you're just counting 2 units away, and that's the radius of a circle. Make sense? Alright, and then now we can find our 6 trig functions. Let's do that together. Sine of whatever angle we're finding. Which 2 letters? Y over R. And that gives us what? Which is 0. Cosine of theta, numbers, and that equals 1. Boys, next one. What 2 letters? Which gives us 0 over 2, which is 0. Girls, the next one. Numbers. Which is undefined. You can't divide by 0. Boys, next one. Name of the trig function. Letters. Numbers. Which is 1. And class, the last one. Letters, numbers, answer. Alright, so the big idea that we've been talking about, or this is actually referring to, they call these quadrantal angles. Everyone say that? And it's a quadrantal angle because if you recognize it, that point that I gave you, it's on the quadrants themselves. It's on the axes. Does that make sense? Because before I gave you guys a triangle, right? An order pair such as 1, 1, 5, 1, going in a different quadrant. But these are actually on there. Now, let me show you quickly how, we'll do that in the next problem. But so, find your R value using Pythagorean Theorem or just count.